guys, welcome back to another video of Art and Craft by Aarna. Today we are making fluffy slime. For this you need a bowl and Fevicol, shaving foam, and I used this slime activator which you can get on Amazon. Now I am pouring in the glue. Now I am taking the shaving foam. The more shaving foam you put in it, the fluffier the slime will get. Now this is optional. You can use it if you want a slime of another color. I used yellow food coloring. I used an ice cream stick to mix it up. Pour in activator little by little. Don't pour it all in together. And keep on mixing it. Continue mixing till you think that the slime is ready. Now it's almost finished. You can put your hands in and mix it up. Now if your slime is sticky, you can add more activator. You can play with it or knead it to make it fluffier. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you. Bye-bye.